Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you basically how to fix this account can no longer use WhatsApp on iPhone. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go back to your screen, and then you need to go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and double check your WhatsApp and make sure that you updated your WhatsApp to the latest version. Again, now what you're gonna do, go back to your screen and then make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. So probably that's why you have this problem. Or you can go ahead to your settings, general, and then move along to the iPhone storage. All right, and then what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead to the WhatsApp and you're gonna upload or delete the app. And by uploading or deleting the app, you're gonna force WhatsApp to upload it at the latest version. So WhatsApp will be forced to be updated to the latest version. So that should fix your problem. If you're still having that same issue, what you're gonna do, go back to your screen, go ahead to your browser, and then just go ahead and type WhatsApp support and click right here, contact WhatsApp, right? And then basically scroll a little bit down right here. You're gonna be able to see, WhatsApp accessibility and assistive or business support or messenger support. You're gonna see for each section you're gonna be able to contact them, right? And basically if you want to contact us right here for support, you're gonna just go ahead and click support right under the search results, and then you're gonna enter your phone number, email address, and how do you use WhatsApp, iPhone, and then enter your or write your problem. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.